What's good, guys? In this video, I'll talk about 3 things that you can do to increase your beat sales quite a lot. And I'm going to be using some of those techniques that I'll personally use myself, and I'm going to be discussing all of that in this video. So if you're all ready for it, let's just get into this video. All right, so the number one thing is using email. Using email to get your audience to click on your videos and click on your beats. Now, for this to work, you will need email. You will need to have a lot of emails. How do you get emails? You get a lot of emails by just giving free beats to artists. And when you give them free beats, they can actually go ahead and give you their email, in which you can actually go ahead and send the beats. So once you kind of get an artist's email, you can actually go ahead and send them quite a lot of free beats. Now, you might be thinking, why should I give free beats to artists? Well, to get them, give you your email and to get them hooked on your products. So if you start to give them free beats, what's going to end up happening is they're going to get hooked onto your products. So they're going to get hooked onto your beats. They're actually just only going to use your beats because their whole sound is based on your beats. Their whole sound is based on how you make your beats. So what this is going to do is it's going to create some long-term partnership with the artist, and you can actually go ahead and charge a lot from these artists. They're not actually going to go ahead and not buy from you. What you need to do is sort of go ahead and first give them free beats, and then just slowly, like after giving them 3-4 free beats, you can go ahead and announce them that you also have premium beats. You also have the beats that are super good quality, and you can also go ahead and use their attention to actually announce your YouTube channel. You can go ahead and announce your Instagram pages, Instagram posts. You can send them your YouTube videos, beat videos, so that they can go ahead and click on the video, like the video, watch it till the end, and giving you the boost in the algorithm. This is actually really beneficial because this is going to give you that kind of an upper edge when it comes to getting newer people discover you and getting that algorithm boost. So this is how I actually use email. I actually use email in this way. And what I do is I grab some of the emails and I allow people to free download my beats using the tag ones. So I give them free beats, and once they get my free beats, once they get the free some of the free beats that they can actually go ahead and use them, they can actually, then I sort of start to send them emails about my newer products, my newer the newer beats that I'm making, the premium beats that I'm making, or the newer videos I post on YouTube. They will actually start to appreciate your emails a lot more. They'll open it a lot more, like I just said. So this is number one thing, and you actually should definitely do it in 2022. All right, guys. So the next thing is going to be, you can actually go ahead and guess it, releasing only your best beats. So only release the beats that are actually in super good quality. Now, a lot of people think that they need to go ahead and keep on dropping beats no matter the quality. Well, quality actually matters a lot. Just as much it matters the quantity. Quantity and quality both go the same way. They both matter quite a lot. And what happens is some people just either they're focusing on quality or they're focusing on quantity. But in 2022, you need to focus on both, because it's going to be, the whole situation is now different. It's not someone who's like only posting beats like 7 days and still getting a lot of views. You still have to post a lot of beats, but you still have to maintain that kind of quality that your artists actually expect from you. So if your beats are not good, if you make a bad beat, for example, if you made a beat that doesn't sound that very good, you should actually go ahead and delete that beat. You should actually go ahead and send it to the recycle bin, because it's not gonna give you that kind of algorithm numbers. So the YouTube algorithm, when you post beats on YouTube, it's gonna look at the quality of the videos. How is it looking? Is it gonna go ahead and look at the quality? Well, by people people are gonna look at the quality, and then they'll stop, watching it, stop watching the video for long. What's gonna happen is YouTube's not gonna push that video. YouTube's not gonna push the beat for to a lot of people. This is gonna hurt you in the long term. So this is why I think quality matters and quantity. Both are going to be important things that you need to take care of in 2022, and definitely go ahead and release beats every single day if possible, and also keep the quality to be 100%. So I think the only way you can actually go ahead and be successful in music production, in type beat selling, is going to be giving up on everything else in your life. Really, just it doesn't matter what you're doing, you have to give it up. You have to give everything single thing, and you just need to be that producer who's gonna keep the quality and also keep the quantity. You can just go ahead and do it for short term, and then just get back once you have the kind of audience. All right, so the last thing is gonna be selling cheap, exclusive only beats. What do I mean by that? Well, there are some of these channels that actually go ahead and sell exclusive only beats. So what they do is they post beats, and then they say this is exclusive only, and their exclusives actually doesn't cost that much. It costs like $100 to $150. You don't have to just make your beats exclusive only. You can just go ahead and still lease beats, still give the MP3 license. However, you need to sort of lower the exclusive price in 2022. I think this is going to be a really good way. If you're a new producer, you can actually go ahead and lower your exclusive price. Maybe just give an exclusive for $100. That's perfectly fine when it comes to the newer producers, because there are a lot of new producers. I think it's going to be it's definitely a really good option that you should just go ahead and lower your exclusive prices. When you lower your exclusive prices, what's going to happen is a lot of people are going to be making that sale because they want that exclusivity. A lot of people want exclusive beats, but they don't want to pay like $100,000 for an exclusive beat. That's really not going to give them the kind of value, I would say, because there's a lot of beats. So if they find a good beat that they want it for themselves, they can go ahead and pay like $100, $120, $150 for that beat, and just get it exclusively as their own. And I think this is a good strategy in a way. You can just go ahead and make a lot of beats and sell it for a lot cheaper. Okay, so selling it for like $50-$60. Some people actually do it $60. I saw like a video a month ago, I think. I'm not sure, but when I saw a video and the guy was actually just giving exclusive beat for like $40, and I was like, this is my Wave license, and this guy was giving $40 beat. $40 for an exclusive, and I thought that was really, really cheap. But I think he was kind of like selling every single one of them, because a lot of people were actually interested in buying the exclusive. As soon as he dropped the beat, they wanted the exclusive, because $40 is nothing compared to the money that they can actually go ahead and make. So these are going to be three facts or three techniques, whatever you want to call it, that you can actually go ahead and use in 2022 to sell a lot of beats, to sell a lot of sales, to get a lot of sales in 2022. And I personally have used the first and second. The third one, I haven't used it, but I still think it's a super sort of like a cheat, 2022 hack, cheat, whatever you want to call it. It's gonna. I think it has the kind of a problem on its own, but just don't do it if you don't want to do it. But I think it's still a viable strategy in 2022, the selling beats for cheap. So I've tried the 1 and 2, and the third one you can actually go ahead and try for yourself. And let me know in the comments if you do try, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.